we have a graphic that we wanted to show, which is why home health care and some of the common things. Let's go through this graph together. So one of the things here is, like you said, recovering from an illness. I think that definitely is more from the inpatient standpoint, the difficult diagnosis, right? Undergoing treatment, you alluded to that already. Post-surgical, that's a very common one, correct?
Yes, very common, especially with hip fractures, total knee replacements. The physician is asking the patient to be non-weight bearing for a few weeks. So we don't want those patients going out of their house right away. We want them to get the rest that they need so that they can heal properly. This is a wonderful opportunity for our physical therapist to come out to the home and provide that physical therapy at home.
Correct. And again, the misconception, I think it's important that, especially at the top of the show, we sort of try to help our viewers with those misconceptions. Let's go back to that scenario where as a hip fracture and your functional abilities, like we say, your limitations with your mobility, the purpose and the role of the services you provide are not to go home and do basic stuff like cooking food and getting you to the bathroom. Those kinds of, it's really, we're going out there to do physical therapy. There's the skill, if you will, where a physical therapist is going to come and help you transition with your physical therapy abilities and your functional ability, correct?
Correct. And this is all on the oversight of the orthopedic surgeon. So we're not doing this solely on ourselves. It's a collaboration of your physician with our team members. So we have physical therapists, occupational therapists, the nurses. This is a collaborative effort to help you get better and to help you get back to your level of independence where you were prior to that surgery or prior to having the need for that surgery.